Well, y'all check this out. This one deserves its own video, like for reals. This is a big one. It has the bed of a Chevy, obviously. Look at that. That's the tailgate, the bed of a dually Sierra GMC, probably early 90s, as I can tell. And look at that. Man, this is a big boy. This thing is huge. Man, you want to be towed? You want to be towed? Talk about being towed with your hair, you and your house in it. This is a monster. It has the front end of a, well, there it is. It's a Kodiak, I guess. And I was about to say I don't know, but there's the name right there. Power diesel. Power. The color is nice. Color watching the wheels. That's a lot of lug nuts. Big tank. Exhaust. It's obviously a dually. And I'm all over this truck right now. It's gonna be a short video. I have no idea where the owner is, otherwise I'll be talking to him right now. But this is a huge truck. Look at that.
Why do they have spikes?
It's a nice truck. Works on the top. So anyways, this is it for part 2. I guess it was just that truck right there. And the National Car Show is over. Everybody left. The Corvettes left. Trans Ams, everybody left. I want to thank those guys over there for talking to me. That was really nice of them. And see y'all later.